Hey, good day, guys. Just back to show you a quick video of kind of a cool project I did for a couple clients this summer. I did a drone high definition video inspection of a right-of-way. So what I did was flew the drone down the right-of-way. I had already taken the surveyed boundaries of the right-of-way and used that to guide my flight. And then I took the video and I pulled all the flight data off the drone and added these telemetry overlays to the video to add more context and to help make viewing it a little bit more intuitive. So in the top right hand corner, I have those right-of-way survey boundaries added. And the drone is represented by the triangle or arrowhead there. And as the drone flies and turns, that will update in real time so that you can see what's on the video screen from the perspective of the drone. In the top left, we have the compass, which points to what direction the camera and drone are currently facing, which just helps give a little bit of perspective, especially because on these longer right-of-ways, it can be pretty easy to get turned around and understand what you're looking at. Finally, bottom left, we've got more of a typical Google Maps or Google Earth overlay, and it's just going to show the progress that the drone's made, where it's flown, and the current GPS points of the drone. So if you did need to go out and physically inspect something that you saw on the screen, you could pull these coordinates and go out and see just where you're at. Finally, the bottom right-hand corner here, we've got the altitude of the drone above the ground. It's not super accurate. It's within, a meter or so, and it'll be based on where the drone took off from. So again, just perspective to kind of see how high above the ground the video currently is for a little more perspective, especially if you weren't there being the one flying it or don't know the right-of-way that well. So let's just watch the video here. As you can see, the drone is starting to fly a little bit laterally and turning the angle to the south. And that was updated right here. Now we're seeing kind of a straight runway. So on the ground, we can see this was a recently installed line in pasture and the grass hasn't fully recovered, so we can pretty easily see where that was. And yeah, the nice thing about this is it's a really quick and efficient way to inspect a large amount of right-of-way, and you can identify any major issues with it. Equipment left out there, really poor growth areas, things that need to be addressed, and it's a nice record to have for any stakeholder meetings, and especially when you're crossing lots of fence lines, creeks, bush, or thick crop. It's a really nice resource to have to document your right-of-ways. So if that interests you, let me know. Be happy to chat about how I did this. I'd be happy to give you a demo of how it can be done. Talk to you later.